Good morning, everyone. Okay, remove your headphones, your earphones, and get your notebook. And keep your phones. Can you see it? Okay. So today, the topic that we are going to study is translating statements to single variable linear equation. Okay. But before that, do you know how to read linear equation? Do you know how to read linear equation? So this is what I'm going to do first, or going to do first. We're going to read equation first. So for you to be able to read linear equations, you need to know these symbols, okay? So if you see the symbol, okay, everyone, can you please read this one? Plus. Plus. How about this one? Minus. So if you see the symbol, this is read as minus. And this symbol is read as times. This symbol is divided by. Can you say it? Everyone say it. Divided by. Okay. Now, this symbol, if you see this parenthesis, you read it as times the quantity of. Can you please read it? Times the quantity of. Okay, times the quantity of. Okay. And this symbol is read as is equal to. Or you can also say, it's hard to. It's equal to, or you can say it as equals, okay, with S. Is equal to, or you can read it as equals. Okay, you finish copying? Because you need to know these symbols for you to be able to read what I'm going to present later. Okay, finish. Okay, I think everyone's finished. Let us have some. Let us not yet. Sorry. Okay, I think everyone's done. Now let us read this linear equation. Everyone, can you please read this one? Everyone, please read 3x. What's the symbol? Minus. Everyone, please read it. Minus. What's this number? 12 is equal to 9. Again, 3x. Okay, next. How about this one? Negative 10x plus 13 is equal to, it's not minus 7, negative. Remember, it is minus when there is a number in front, But if the minus symbol is in front of the number, you read it as negative. Okay? Again, please read this. Negative 10x plus 13 is equal to negative. Okay. Next. How do you read this one? Okay, very good. 1 over 2. Okay, that's 1 over 2x minus 26 is equal to 18. Now, let's make it harder. How do you read this one? Negative 2. How about this symbol? Times quantity of plus 1, 4. Again, negative 2 of okay, that is negative 2 times the quantity of 3x plus 1 is equal to 4. Next. Please read it. 7 times the quantity of x minus 11 is equal to negative 14. Okay, that is 7 times the quantity of x minus 11 is equal to negative 14. You understand? One last before we proceed with our next topic. Okay. Everyone, this one. 5 over 6 of negative times the quantity of okay, very good. So that is 5 over 6 times the quantity of negative 2x plus 2 is equal to negative times the quantity of x minus 12. Okay? You understand? So that's how you're going to read linear algebraic equation. But actually, the topic that we are going to study today is writing statements to linear equation. Okay? But before we're going to write these statements, I want you to at least take a photo. Okay, you can use your phone to take a photo only. Okay, but actually you wrote this already last term. But again, for you to remember, can you please take a photo of it and copy it later on your notebook? Okay, take a photo because we're going to use this words later on. Not me. Okay. So, let us first read the following words. Again, everyone, what is addition? What is addition? We're dealing with the plus symbol, okay? Addition. Now, how about subtraction? Subtraction is minus. Multiplication is times. Division is for hand, okay? And equals is for the equal symbol. What does it mean? Meaning, if you see this word sum, increased by, more than, plus, total, combined, added to, in all, if you see these words, you're going to translate it to plus symbol. Okay? Now, as for subtraction, you have difference, decreased by, less than, minus, fewer than, reduced, and take away. If you see all of this word, it means you're going to write these words into minus symbol. As for multiplication, we have product times of, factor of, doubled, tripled, okay? So these words, and we have thrice and twice. It means you are going to use multiplication. As for division, you have quotient divided by, ratio of, and per. Okay? I just want you to know this since you already took photo of it, because later we are going to use this to translate some statements into linear equation. Okay? Now, before that, let's have equals. We have is or are, was or were, will be, gives, yields, and is the same as. Okay? All of these words are you're going to translate these words into equal symbol. Okay? Since you take photo, you don't need to copy it. But later, okay? Let us try this one. Twice a number. Twice means we need to multiply, right? But when we talk about twice, twice meaning two times. Kunsong. Okay? So twice is two times. Kunsong, okay? Now, when we talk about number, we're dealing with variable. It can be letter A, letter B, letter C, okay? Any variable. So if you will have twice a number, in Thai, you it means just kunsong, okay? Kunsong, so meaning 2 times a number x means you're going to translate it into 2x. Okay? Or it can be 2y or 2a or 2b. We just use the number or the variable x. Okay? So twice a number meaning 2x. Because twice means 2 times. How about thrice a number? So thrice means 3 times. And if your number is letter x, so thrice a number is 3x. Okay, Micah? Understand? We studied this last term as well, right? Now, when we talk about 4 times a number, 4. When we talk about times, pen kun kap. Kap? Kun. So if our number is letter x, so 4 times a number is 4 times x, which is same as 4x. Okay? And 5 times a number, that is 5x. Okay? 6 times a number, 7 times a number. Again, this number can any variable. Can any variable. If you want letter A, then this will be 5a. Okay? So again, the number that we are talking about is just any variable. Next. Sum of x and 2. Now, when we talk about sum, what is sum? Penalay. Addition, right? Penbuakap. Right? So sum of x and 2 means you're going to make this end a plus symbol. And that would be the quantity of x plus 2. Remember, if we are dealing with sum, you always need to put quantity of, okay, the parenthesis. Sum of x and 2 is parenthesis x plus 2. How about difference? Difference is, what is difference? What operation? Pen minus. Okay? So meaning this end will be the minus symbol. And so you will have the quantity of x minus 2. How about product? Product is, what is product, man? Kun times. So that would be x times 2. And quotient. Quotient is pan, han, or division, okay? You're going to divide. Or normally, when we talk about quotient of x and 2, this is correct, okay? But we're going to use the fraction form, okay? Ani, this is correct, but we are going to use the fraction form. Okay, my kap? So remember, if you see these words, sum, difference, product, and quotient, you need to put parentheses. Okay? Do you understand? Understand? Huh? Okay? Good. Now, I have this one. How do we write 2 minus x? So, 2 is number 2. Minus is pen, love, right? Minus. And x is just letter x. So, if we're going to write that, that is 2 minus x. Now, if we write 2 less than x, less than, penalay what operation? Ha? Lop. Siya kap? How about, but 2 is 2 less than x, 2 minus x as well. 2 less than x is x minus 2. Okay? Remember, if we're dealing with less than, the direction is from right going to the left. But if we're dealing with the other symbols like minus, the direction is from left going to the right. Remember, less than, the direction is from left, is from right going to the left. Okay? That's why 2 minus x is not the same as 2 less than x. Okay? Understand? Okay? No question? Okay, let us try some. Everyone, can you please read this? 5 less than 2. Okay, we have 5 less than 2 times a number is 7. How do you write that in an equation? Okay. Let's write this one. 5. 5 is number 5. Less than, pen, what operation? Less than is minus. Now, when we say 2 times a number, if the number is letter x, times is kun. 2 is 2, kun x. So, ang kun x, the answer is 2x. Okay? Is. What is is? What symbol? Tao kap. You look at the variable, you took photo, right? Of all the variables that we're going to use. 7. Now, is it 5 minus 2x equals 7? The word is less than. Less than. What is the direction of less than? Kwa, pai, psi, right? So this will be 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay? Again, we're dealing with less than, so the direction is different. Okay? But then again, you just need to know the vocabularies for you to be able to translate it into symbol. Okay? So when we talk about 5 less than 2 times a number is 7, that would be 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay? Again, 5 less than 2 times the number is 7. That is 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. Next, the quotient. Oh, what is quotient? Quotient. Quotient is pen, hand. Okay. Now, what is thrice a number? If the number is letter x, thrice a number is 3x. Thrice a number and 7. So this will be 7. Okay. Remember to put it in the parenthesis. Is, what is? Okay. 35. So you will have, or you can actually write the quotient of 3x and 7, thrice a number and 7 is 35. These two are the same. Okay, but then, again, I told you if it's quotient, we're going to use more of the fraction form rather than the division symbol. Okay, but still, this is the same. Both of it are correct. Okay, and please stop using your phone. Thank you. Use it for vocabularies only. Understand? Can you please try this? The product of 53 and 102 is equal to a number times 6. Who can write the answer on the board? Product of 53 and 102 is equal to a number times 6. Anyone? Any volunteer from 1/5? I think 1/5 are smart enough. Anyone? I think the other schools can answer it. They're watching. How about 1/5 of Takpitayacom School? Okay. Product. You have the vocabularies, right? At least try to do it. Okay, very good. The answer is 53 times 102 is equal to 6x. Okay? We can put it in the parentheses, but since there's no more number beside it, this is actually correct. Okay? Why do you think this is 6x? Because, remember, when we deal with product, this is pen, kun. Product of 53 and 102 is equal to, now, a number times 6, any number is letter x times pen kun kap 6. X kun x, hok, x kun hok, or x times 6, that is 6x. Okay? That's why we have product of 53 and 102 is equal to a number times 6. 53 times 102 is equal to 6x. Next. How about this one? Anyone from 1/5? 6 less than twice a number x is 4. The number is letter x, okay? 6 less than twice a number x is 4. How do you write that? Anyone? Six less than twice a number x is 4. Anyone from 1/5? Oh, what is 6? Who? Right? Less than, pen, lob. Twice a number. Twice a number. Song x, 2x. Pawanikap, less than. What is the direction of less than? Papaysay. Kap, less than. So we will have here 2x minus 6. Now, is. What is is? Equals 4. C. Oh, yak may? 6 less than twice a number x is 4. The answer is 2x minus 6 is equal to 4. Do you understand? How about this one? This one is kind of hard. Ani yak nito. Twice the difference of y and 3 is 14. Twice. Twice pa alay? Kunsong. Difference. Difference of y and 3. Lop. Y and 3. That is y minus 3 is equals 14 is 14. Ani, kunsong difference, you have parentheses, y minus 3 equals 14. How do you write that? That would be, anyone who wants to try to write it on the board? Come here. Come here. Stand up. Stand up. Just try. It's okay if you got it wrong. At least you try. Twice the difference of y and 3 is 14. Remember, difference is you have a parenthesis and minus y and 3. Y and 3. What's the answer? Twice pa kunsong. Who wants to help? Thank you. Who wants to help? Okay, come here. Okay, very good. The answer is 2 times the quantity of y minus 3 is equal to 14. Remember, when we're dealing with difference, I told you earlier, you should always put parentheses. Sum, difference, product, and quotient. You're going to put it in a parenthesis, okay? Because on a case like this, we have twice the difference of y and 3. So since difference is minus, y and 3, so that is y minus 3. Is tao ka. Again, twice is kunsong 14. So that is 2 times y minus 3 is equal to 14. Understand? Okay? One more. 3 more than. More than แปลว่าอะไรเป็นฮะบวก Okay. 3 more than the quotient of 8 5 is 12. So if it's quotient, okay, we can use fraction. What do you think is the answer? More than. More than is like less than, but it is buwak. Ani kwa pa isaykap? More than. Okay. Who wants to try to answer it on the board? 3 more than quotient of A and 5 is 12. Number 3 more than is pen alay? Puwak. Quotient is pen han. Is tawkap. 12. 12 is 12. 12 is ipsong 12. What do you think? How do we write it? Anyone? Who wants to try? Manjay na? Hey, have confidence. I think you can do it. Oh, come here. Okay. This is actually correct. Okay. Now let's again, Ani, you can use this one, but let's use the fraction, okay? Because I've told you if we're going to deal with quotient, we're going to deal with fraction. Okay? This is the same as this one. Now, Ani is okay, but this is not the real translation of this one. But this one is correct. Why? As I've told you earlier, more than is like less than. The direction is A over 5. The direction of more than is from from right going to the left. Kuwapay saykap. But since that is buwak, salap gaday, okay? You can switch the numbers. So we will have here A over 5 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay? But then again, 3 plus A over 5 equals 12. Ani okay gaday? Because since this is addition, you can switch this and this one. Salap gaday. Okay, Mike? Do you understand? As long as it's addition plus, you can switch. But if it's minus, salap my die. Okay? You cannot switch. Next. The difference of 100 and x is 57. This is easy. The difference of 100 and x is 57. Come here. Stand up. Stand up. Difference. What is difference? Penalay. Lop. The difference of 100 and x is 57. Okay, that is correct. Correct. The answer is 100 minus x is equal to 57. Remember, difference is Penlop. May chay 75 57 Oy, Pete. Sorry na. Okay, how about this one? 20. Ani, this one, 24 is the same as the quotient of W and 3. 24 is the same as, what is the same as? Equals. Quotient. Quotient is the fraction form. W and 3. Now, please write it on the board. Anyone? 1/5. Have the honor. 24 is the same as the quotient of W and 3. Go, go. Ani easy, right? Oh. Suso na kap. Twenty-four is the same as hindi ka na, hindi. 24 is the same as the quotient of W and 3. Okay. Okay, very good. Twenty-four is the same as the quotient of W and 3. Okay? May okay. Now, 5/8. Now, let us discuss this one. When we're dealing with 5/8 or 3/4, if it ends in THS, what is 5? Ha. 8's swan pet. Okay? 5/8 means 5/8. If you see the word 3/4, this is THS, right? Meaning, if you're going to write 3/4, that is 3/4. Okay? If it ends with THS and you see two numbers, this is how you're going to write it. Now, we have 5/8 added to a number is 4. How are you going to write that? Come here. Five eighths added to a number is 4. Added to. Added to is panalay. Mm. Number is any variable. Uh, Up to you. Okay, correct. Now, it can be 5/8 plus A is equal to 4. Or, if you want letter X, it's also okay. Or, it can be like this one. X plus 5/8. Or, 5/8 plus X. Since it is addition, buwak salap kaday, okay? Remember, only in addition and multiplication. But division and subtraction, you cannot. Last one, last. Last before I give your homework. Last one. Pi. Okay, come here. Negative 3/4 of a number minus 16 is 8. Negative 3/4 of a number, or 3/4. What is of? Penalay? Pen. Kun. A. That is negative. Negative 3/4. Negative 3/4. Of a number. Same. Negative 3/4 of a number. Open alay ka? Pen kun. Minus 16 is 8. Negative 3/4 of a number. What happened to of a number? Okay, correct. Remember, negative 3/4. That is 3/4. Of a number, let's say this is letter X. Negative sums 1C kun X is negative 3/4 X. Okay? Minus. Minus 16. So, lop, siphok is pet 8. So, you will have negative 3/4 X minus 16 is equal to 8. Up, Pep. Homework. Oh. Take picture now. Take picture. But you need to copy it on your notebook, okay? Okay, I still have class on the other building. Okay. Stand up, everyone. Stand up. Stand up. Goodbye, everyone. Okay. Hey, make sure to do your homework, okay? Copy it.